So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn off JavaScript in Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it works on previous iPhones and iPads. Go to Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down and find Safari. Tap on that. And then under Safari, you want to scroll all the way down to Advanced. Tap on that. And then you should see JavaScript. To disable JavaScript, simply turn off that toggle button. And then now you can go back all the way to the home screen and launch Safari browser with JavaScript turned off. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.